Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video, I will explain you how our YouTube channel scraping API works. So this API can be used for competitor analysis, like you can track how fast your channel is growing, for sentiment analysis, for market research, and for like influencer marketing. So if you want to try this API, you just have to sign up, and once you sign up, you will be redirected to your dashboard, and the dashboard will look like this. We have like bunch of scrapers for YouTube itself. Like we have YouTube search, transcripts, comments, and channel. For this video, we are using YouTube channel scraping API. So let me just select that. I need a channel ID. So for that, I have selected our own YouTube channel, and the ID of this YouTube channel will be Scraping Dog 9955. So I will just copy that and I will just paste it over here. Here, the country is selected as US and language by default is English. So once I click on try it button, I will be provided with a beautiful JSON response which contains all the details like description of the channel, the number of subscribers, the number of videos a channel has posted, number of views, joining date, the links. They have like the Medium link, LinkedIn, Twitter homepage, and other details like highlighted videos, like the video available over here. Then we have a video section where these videos are available. The detail related to these videos is available within this array, and bunch of other information. So this is how this API actually works. You can scrape data from multiple like millions of YouTube channel, and you can use it at your end for market research. So if you have any questions regarding this particular API or any other API from scrapingdog.com, then you can reach out to us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.